Once again, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So this time I got Galaxy S10 Plus exynos model, and there was a huge request to make a video to flash the crDroid official ROM on the Galaxy S10 Plus to get the strong integrity pass. I did something with the ROM, but I could not pass the test. Like going to the crDroid settings, then going here, second last option, and uploading the custom key box, but it didn't work. Then I root the ROM and I install the modules and I modify the modules the way I was supposed to, and then I got the strong integrity pass. Remember to have an unlock bootloader if you want to flash this ROM. I would say this is the best ROM of the Android 16 for the Android devices. Those mobile phone which is not getting updates, like it is stuck with the Android 11 or Android 12, if they can unlock the bootloader, they can flash the custom ROM and they can update the mobile phone from the older Android version to the latest Android 16. Galaxy S10 Plus, model number is J975F, dual SIM mobile phone. Both IMEI numbers are here. You can see Android 16 and check out the crDroid version is 12.5. So check the Android security update. 1st Jan 2026, baseband version provided, kernel version and the build number. Well, thanks to the developer who are porting the Android 16 updated ROM for the Galaxy S10 Plus, but only for the exynos. Well, this is not it. If you flash the ROM, you will see that open goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, this is the crDroid settings. After coming here, you will see that there are a bunch of modifications provided here. You can modify the ROM the way you like to have it on your mobile phone. Applications that you can see on my mobile phone straightly downloaded from the Google Play Store. And finally, I have succeeded to make the device certified. Well, check it out. And I got the strong integrity also. Check it out. The AOSP camera is provided with the ROM, which is working very fine without any issues. You can take pictures, you can record videos, and you can record up to 4K resolution with 30 FPS. The front camera and the rear camera are not having any issues with the provided AOSP camera. So check out the latest QS panel coming with this ROM. Yes, after flashing the ROM, we will get the latest and new QS panel. The tiles that you can see working fine. And after tapping the edit button, you can remove or you can add the tiles from here. Double tap to unlock the screen, double tap to relock the screen, or double tap, then check the fingerprint scanner. Yes, it is working very fast, and the face unlocking is also working very fast and very fine. Check out the battery icon, the Wi-Fi icon, and the NFC icon. And I have both SIM card inserted in my mobile phone, and both SIM card are working fine. You can check out the signals of the both SIM card. Bluetooth connectivity is very fine. Yes, it got connected straightly. Play the music via Bluetooth, no problem, because the Bluetooth connectivity is so stable. And connect the wireless headphone or the speaker, watch videos or watch movies, does not have any issues. The Bluetooth connectivity is working very fine. हम आपको जैज़ में खुशामदीद कहते हैं, जहां बेहतरीन हमारी तरजीह है। और इसके लिए 1 मिनट उसको बताना The calling is working fine, and the default dialer that is coming with the ROM is providing call recording feature also, and that is without an announcement. I must say this is the brilliant ROM from the crDroid official team, because this is the official ROM that I got on my mobile phone. So my friends, I will make another tutorial video how to flash the ROM on the Galaxy S10 Plus, the crDroid Android 16, the official ROM. Because the video length will become bigger, the video will get lengthy if I continue showing how to flash. I have to make the device certified. I have to root the ROM also. Stick with my channel, stay with me, and wait for my another video. To appreciate me, do not forget to like the video and keep sharing it with others. Thank you. Take a good care, and see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.